The Sun's surface temperature is normally 5,506 degrees Celsius. Mercury has an average temperature of 157 degrees Celsius. Venus is the hottest planet, with an average temperature of 425 degrees Celsius. Earth's average temperature is 7.56 degrees Celsius. Mars has an average temperature of minus 99.1 degrees Celsius. Jupiter's average temperature is minus 164 degrees Celsius. Saturn's average temperature is minus 194 degrees Celsius. Uranus has an average temperature of minus 222 degrees Celsius. Neptune's average temperature is minus 227 degrees Celsius. Pluto is even colder, with an average temperature of minus 232 degrees Celsius. But what would happen if we made the Sun much colder? Let's find out. We lowered the Sun's surface temperature to 3,000 degrees Celsius. Mercury cooled to minus 20 degrees Celsius. After 362 years, Venus cooled to 113 degrees Celsius. Earth reached minus 191 degrees Celsius. Earth is now completely covered by thick ice. Mars dropped to minus 193 degrees Celsius. Jupiter cooled to minus 211 degrees Celsius. Saturn dropped to minus 218 degrees Celsius. Uranus reached minus 228 degrees Celsius. Neptune cooled to minus 233 degrees Celsius. Pluto dropped to minus 237 degrees Celsius. We lowered the Sun's surface temperature to 1,000 degrees Celsius. Mercury cooled to minus 182 degrees Celsius. Venus cooled to 52 degrees Celsius. Earth dropped to minus 226 degrees Celsius. Earth remains completely covered by thick ice. Mars cooled to minus 221 degrees Celsius. Jupiter dropped to minus 221 degrees Celsius. Saturn cooled to minus 222 degrees Celsius. Uranus dropped to minus 230 degrees Celsius. Neptune cooled to minus 234 degrees Celsius. Pluto dropped to minus 238 degrees Celsius. We lowered the Sun's surface temperature to 100 degrees Celsius. Mercury cooled to minus 185 degrees Celsius. Venus cooled to 47 degrees Celsius. Earth dropped to minus 227 degrees Celsius. Earth remains buried beneath thick ice. Mars cooled to minus 222 degrees Celsius. Jupiter dropped to minus 222 degrees Celsius. Saturn remained at minus 222 degrees Celsius. Uranus cooled to minus 230 degrees Celsius. Neptune dropped to minus 234 degrees Celsius. Pluto cooled to minus 237 degrees Celsius.